Hey mate, you alright? Oh no, it's a GoPro. Yeah, no, you're alright. Brightest day coming up soon. Sorry, I just jumped in front of you and I'm going to shoot down to the rock down there.
Okay, have a nice run.
Yeah, and have a good climb. What are you doing, mate?
Is this rappel or is it just
Well, I used to go that way, but I'm going to try out the new way, I think. Yeah.
as well, so you're probably okay with it.
Yeah.
You always got to be a bit careful.
Yeah, you just don't know who's installed it all, do you? You know what I mean? Well, seemed alright. I think that way's safer. I used to go, but it's up to you. Voila. Let's get one more look at that. One small leap. Yeah. Up we go. Look at this, look, fossilised water. Here we are. Down. Ocean rock. When the tide's out, you have to be covered in seals. Never been swimming in here. No, sorry, there's ocean rock over there. Not there, over there. Wow. Right. Let's go back. More ammonites. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Another ammonite. Hiya, bud. Hiya, you alright, everyone? Oops, sorry. No, you're alright. I'll navigate. These are big blocks. Never been down here. Look at these blocks. That's cliff face. Right, here we go. Careful of white seaweed. Still a bit. I'm gonna do some jumps. Yep. Sweating now. Careful of seaweed. Yeah. There it is. That's deep there. If you swim out to there, chances are you're going to bump into a seal, which could freak you out a bit. They'll come up, they're inquisitive. Let's get the GoPro on, see how deep it is. Right, let's capture this. So we've climbed down. This block here is bigger than my house. It's hard to fathom. So you can imagine this part of the cliff here is falling into the water. It's called ocean rock. You get seals there, as I've said. So let's have a look. I've got an extendable mount now, so I don't want to go swimming today. I will. Yeah, let's get in. Let's get in. How can we do this? Right. Right, so I'm going to extend this and go in the water now. So let's do it. Let's do it. Oh fuck! Tell a lie. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I ain't doing that. I'd always recommend using GoPro. This ain't an advert for GoPro, but I'd recommend using GoPro mounts and that because they're built to last. Right. I was going to extend this, but it's not working. Submerged here a bit. I'm going to have to do a video. I'm going to have to swim out to that rock. Right, let's do one more shot. Oh. I'm up to my knees now. Parmesan. Right, I came down this way. I'm gonna make my way up that way now, where you can see those people coming down. So right, here we go. I might stop to take some photos on the way. Shame not to. Make sure I didn't leave anything. Right, let's do this. Hey. Right. Quicker you go, better. Jump. Interesting stuff. Let's stop and have a look. Nice. Take it steady. No point rushing. I'd have probably drunk out of that when I was younger. That's probably why I'm not quite right in the head now. Right, this is very loose, but let's take a look. Let's go into beast mode. Not as agile as I used to be, but I've still got it. It's a path there, goat track. We all know goats like to balance on silly little ledges. Right, I wouldn't recommend this. Here we are, we're on the track. Back on track. We're up. Just like that. Nice and steady. Taking it steady now. Look at that, lovely. Nice and steady. Yeah, this is literally on the edge here. Right. 3 points of contact. Gone out the window. Hey. Let's pick this up. Yeah, come on. Up we go. Come down this way. Let's go the other way. Let's go up the other way. When I used to do this, these hand grips weren't it? Handles, whatever you call them. Putting me trust in this rope now. And we're up. Hey. It's an old block, hundreds of years ago, chiselled. at this, that. Check that out for a mess room, hey? Tea room, that. Let's have a look. Easter.